a rare offering, a detached bungalow with almost 1,700 square feet of living space on the main level alone, set on a gorgeous ravine lot in the highly desired Stonehaven neighborhood, on a prestigious cul-de-sac with access to nature trails, close to parks and local shopping, great schools, community center, transit, and more. 1052 Broughton Lane offers fabulous curb appeal, nestled on a quiet, tree-lined street with a double driveway large enough to park 6 cars and a pathway leading to a covered front porch. Perfect for sitting out, enjoying your favorite beverage, and watching the comings and goings in the neighborhood. Walking through the double-door front entranceway, you're welcomed into a 2-story sun-filled foyer with cathedral ceilings, updated lighting, a double mirrored closet, and space to sit and take off your shoes. The adjoining living and dining areas feature 9-foot ceilings, updated lighting, hardwood flooring, and large windows. No need to consider condo-sized furniture here. The spacious room sizes fit large suites of furniture. Bring your dining room table and hutch, your living room set, and host your family and friends for long-awaited celebrations. The kitchen and family room areas at the back of the house form the hub of this happy home. The kitchen has ample counter space, pot drawers, a breakfast bar, and a spacious eating area with a walkout to the large deck overlooking the lush yard. You'll have a front row seat to great bird watching while you dine or wash your dishes. The cozy family room also offers a great view of the backyard and has 9-foot ceilings, hardwood floors, and a gas fireplace. This smart layout features a king-sized main floor primary bedroom with 9-foot ceilings, hardwood floors, updated lighting, a walk-in closet, and a 4-piece ensuite bathroom. There are 2 other bedrooms on the main floor that share a nearby 4-piece washroom. The main floor laundry room is large enough for side-by-side machines, has a laundry tub and cabinets, and it also has convenient direct access to the garage. The basement is huge and unfinished, perfect for your storage or your dream rec room project. There's also a separate walk-up entrance from the basement to the yard. This special home has a premium lot with an extra deep lot backing directly to the ravine. With so much room here to garden, put in a pool, or just enjoy the beauty of the ravine in every season. The bloom of summer, the gorgeous colors of fall, and the snow falling softly on the trees all winter long. The front and backyards have been lovingly cultivated with perennial gardens, and there's a 2-tier back deck for seating, as well as a ground-level patio by the separate basement entrance. You have total privacy with no neighbors behind you, just serene nights and weekends listening to the sound of the rustling leaves and the birds chirping. 1052 Broughton Lane is ideally located on a quiet court in exclusive Stonehaven. You're just a short drive from the charming Newmarket Main Street, the Stronach Community Center, great shopping and restaurants, and every amenity you could desire, and it's only minutes to the 400 and 404 and GO Transit. For more information on this home, call or text 416-888-5640, email info@walkerparker.ca, or visit us online at walkerparker.ca.